So today I wanted to show you a different video about making frying the chicken, spicy chicken. This chicken will look amazing after being made. Let me show you the pack. The pack of chicken. I got this one. It has a 12 pieces crunchy spicy chicken. Oh, they say it has fries with fries. Oh, okay, it came with fries actually. That's the pack of fries. Wow. I'm glad that I really saw that. I have to make them in order not to turn soggy. So I cannot leave them inside for a very long time, because if I left them, they will turn soggy after a while. Okay, we're gonna make those wonderful fries. Fries packet! Wow. Making the fries with the chicken. We're getting ready to be finished. Here we go, it has been made perfectly, and I will show you how we get to eat this wonderful meal in just moments. Should have made some rice with it, white rice. With the chicken and the fries. Wow. Okay. So I got some bread in order to enjoy the food. Here we go. Wow. Chicken, wow.